Hey everybody, I'm Aarav Bharany from Kolkata, West Bengal, and I was ranked All India 54 and 57th in AILET and CLAT 2023 respectively. The journey was obviously quite a long and a tedious one, where in my preparation, one of the most important facets is obviously consistency. The other, probably the largest key contributor, was my coaching center, OPUS. And what I believe is key, what is special about OPUS and how it really helps is that it's a very all-rounded preparation, a very all-rounded teaching style that gives you a curriculum that is quite a few levels higher than the CLAT standard or the AILET standard in many ways, which ensures that no matter how they give you a paper, you are ready. And you are ready for whatever surprises that you can give, especially if they give a paper like they gave in AILET this year. It was OPUS which ensured that even though the entire format was changed, I was ready to adapt to no matter what challenge was thrown at me. And I thank OPUS for that.